Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and we're doing a shrimp rotini in a red sauce with just a bit of spice. So for your ingredients, you have your leek, diced, chopped, whatever, rotini of course, chopped shrimp, white wine, olive oil, tomato sauce, salt, pepper, and red pepper, and water to boil the pasta of course, and you're going to salt the pasta water once it's boiling. So preheat your pan here, that way it doesn't stick too bad. Add your oil. After the pan's been preheated, add your leeks. You're gonna saute these for, 3 minutes or so, 3-4 minutes. Let them get some color, don't have your heat too high, maybe medium low. Then once they get some color on them, you're gonna add your shrimp and pretty much do the same thing, another couple minutes there. See, not burnt. You don't want to burn them. Nobody likes burnt stuff. Add your shrimp. There you go. And sometimes when you're going at it, things get a little bit dry and you gotta add a little extra oil. So don't be afraid to do that. You don't want it to be sticking and dry. Friction is bad. Add some red pepper if you like. That's your spice. Personal preference, how much. A little bit of dried parsley. You're gonna deglaze the pan with a little bit of Chardonnay, just a dash. There you go. Reduce it down. Making progress here. Stir, toss it. You really want to be fancy, flipping around. It'll work out. But add your tomato sauce here. The generic brand here I got. It'll work. Different brands will require different amounts. Mix it all together. You're gonna season it to taste. There you go. A little salt, pepper. That works. Here we go. Now your pasta's done. Took about 5 to 7 minutes there for this rotini. Barilla brand. Big fan. Now you're gonna mix it around, toss it. Toss that rotini. A little bit more parsley just for the Instagram. You gotta have some green in there. Fresh would be better, obviously, but that's what I got. So there we go. Made it this far. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's not like I'm asking for a Craigslist encounter here. Ciao, ciao.